Hello, in front of me I have KINGWEAR KW10 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair it with your phone. First we need to download and install the F-Fit app on our phone. To do it, open the Google Play Store, tap right here to enter search, and enter F-Fit. Then tap search. On this page, tap on install right here to install the application. And after the application is done installing, we can tap on open right here to open it. Now let's tap on agree. Here we can log in into a F-Fit account. You can also create one by tapping on registration, and you can also tap on visitor login to just log in without account as a visitor. But I have one, so I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address, and then tap right here and enter password. So give me a few seconds. And after you're done entering the password, tap login. Here we can allow some permissions. You can also deny them. Do what you like. I'm just gonna allow them. And right here we have a prompt about the notifications. If you want to have notifications enabled, you need to tap on determine right here. And if you don't want to, just tap cancel. But I'm gonna tap on determine and allow the notification access for the F-Fit app by tapping the slider and tapping allow. Then I can go back to the app, and in the app tap on click to add your device right here. Wait until it finds the KW10 Pro and tap on it. Now let's wait until it's done synchronizing. And we can tap on device right here at the bottom. And as you can see here we have the options for our KW10 Pro watch, and that means that the watch is paired with our phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.